Hi, Cam Roberts here, CEO and founder of Bubblegum Marketing. Thank you for watching this video. On this video, we're going to look at a before and after a case study of a project that we've been proudly working on called SmartPlate. It's a company from the USA that we've had a proud association with. It's been an honor to work on this project. It's a fantastic product. It's a product that tracks your food and it comes with an app. So great technology, great product. And as I said, we're very proud to be associated with this product. So what I want to do in this video is show you a before and after of this project that we've worked on. So we were engaged to build a brand new website. So create the brand, the design, so a whole new designed website and with the new design, new branding, and a feel and look that would elevate the product to a whole nother level. And we've achieved that. I know the owner of the company is very happy with the product, the project that we've provided as part of the website build. So it's taken a couple of months to do this. There's been a lot of hard work in the background go on, both in designing and the development side of things, but we're really proud of the end product. So on this video, I'd like to do a walkthrough of a before and after, so you can see the difference between the type of work Bubblegum Marketing does to what people already have in the marketplace. So what we're looking at now is SmartPlate. We're looking at the before site. So on the before site, you can see here a couple of things I want to point out. The first thing is we can see that the imagery in the background here of the website is a little bit pixelated. You can see that the girl's face is chopped off, so you can't really see her eyes. You can see down the bottom here, the words are chopped off down the bottom on the first scroll in the hero section. We can see up the top here on the top right, their logo is kind of hiding in this, this little banner up the top here. So there's a lot of things going wrong just in the first hero section here, which isn't a true reflection of the product. It's a great product, great technology, comes with an app. So it's really important that you duplicate the high quality of your products or services. You duplicate that with your digital marketing and your online branding. It is really super important. We can see here that even the fonts change. Like you can see this font here, it's white. You can see it's changed size there already. And then when I wait for the next font, so this one's bigger, right? And the next font, I think there was a silver one, right? So there's another one, right? A little bit different. But wait for the next one. There's one more that comes up. You can see it's kind of some sort of silver. There's a black one, right? So lots of different things going on, right? So there's the shop one. Let's see the last one. And there it is, that introducing part. So lots of things going on, lots of different variations. And you can see here in that food tracker, you can see how the words here aren't even fitting on the screen properly. And this is the desktop version, right? So I've done another recording of this on the mobile. So there is a before and after on mobile that you can also watch. But this is the desktop version to show you the before and after of the desktop. So we can see here that when you get down here, after you're reading the 4 or 5 things that are going on here, you can see that these things are already moved. Now, if you didn't know about these little buttons to move it back, you wouldn't know, right? So by the time you get down to here, they've already moved across and you've got this massive space of nothingness sitting on the side there. Now, when you look at the fonts, really spaced out. The fonts look cheap. They don't look like a quality branded type website here at all with the font sizes and the font types. It's not the preference that we would have gone after. You can see here in their old site, whoever's built this site hasn't built the animation properly, so they've tried to fit a little bit of a movie here in the back of a phone, right, like a phone image. But you can see here it's sticking out the sides, right? So again, not a very professional design. Little things like this make a big difference from a prospect's point of view. So it's really important. And again, look at this white space over here. So not very good use of space at all. You can see here there's some vegetables in the background. These little images of vegetables and carrots and cauliflower. And it just looks a little bit cheap. You know what I mean? Like this cartoony type imagery just cheapens the brand. Again, lots of white space here. And you can see that the vegetables kind of, get cut off as the sections scroll. And you can't really tell where the sections start and where they begin. Like, is this here part of this section or is it part of this section? You see what I mean? So, and it's because there's so much on the page, it's really distracting for the person reading, the visitor to the website, to know what to read. What is their eye drawn towards? Because there's so much going on on the page. And again, lots of white space. We've got another camera, another video over here, inside a phone. This one does fit in, so that's great. But again, lots of space on the website that's not being utilized effectively. Like, look at this one. When I stop in this scroll, like, we've only got 5 lines of text and we're halfway down the page. So halfway down the home page, and there's only 5 lines of text in my view. So again, lots of really, not very good use of space. And this imagery here of the happy guy pointing with the big fingers, thumbs up with a little icon, again, to me, that just cheapens the brand. It doesn't position the brand in a professional way like the news site does. So again, just scrolling down, it's a really long scroll. There's lots on the home page, which obviously served its purpose in the past, but now we've gone with a much cleaner, much more professional brand, which I'll show you in a minute. So we just want to get down to the bottom. And again, you can see some of these images. It's like this one up here, with this person pointing, that other one I showed you with the guy. Again, a little bit cheesy, right? We don't go for that cheesy look on our websites that we build. We like to have more professional designs, especially for a product such as this, which is a great product. Great social proof on the site, but again, lots of different sections. Like, you can see here the vegetables finishing off in one section. And again, there's just not very good use of space and design in this particular old website. And then when we get down to the footer, we can see that the problem here is that the footer takes up the whole screen. So this is a massive footer, right? This whole purple section is the footer. A lot going on, and it's just huge. You don't need a whole screen size for a footer, okay? So let's just go back up to the top, and I'll just show you one more page. So this is the How It Works page, so about the product. This is the product in action, so you can watch a video pops up, right? So YouTube video pops up there that you can watch. And then again, same sort of thing. Design talks about the product, how great it is, talks about the app, and again, but look at the spacing over here. So there's my screen there, and look at all that unused space, not very good use of space in that design. Okay, so we just scroll down to the bottom, gets there, join SmartPlate now. You join SmartPlate, goes to the form, join which one you want, goes to their shop page, and away you go. You can order the SmartPlate from that site, and there's their checkout page. Okay, so let's just close that down, go back up, back a step, and go back to the home page. So again, remember, this is the before Bubblegum Marketing started working on the project, and a little bit of a drum roll, and let's have a look at the after. So this is the before, and this is the after. So again, it's a product that we've been very happy to work on, this project and product, and you can just see a massive difference here. So straight away, your eyes are drawn to the center here, whereas up here, like, your eyes aren't really drawn anywhere. They're kind of seeing what's down here. I can't read it, right? So it's really important to make a first impression, because 85% of people who land on your website will leave within 8 seconds. So it's really important that as they land on that hero section, you capture their attention so they read more. So the hero section really sells them to scroll down and learn more about the next section, right? Which is what we're doing here. And again, nice design, so you can see that there's a clear distinction now between the sections, right? Much more better use of spacing, really nice design, professional images, really crisp and clean with the design. You can see here we've got videos playing in the background, much more cleaner and crisp videos, right? And again, you can see that your eye is drawn to the center because that's where the font is. And so what we've done is we've positioned the fonts in the right place, as you can see here. Another great section. In this section, we've moved the font up so that the picture of the plate is shown more, and that was an intentional design on this section. So again, really good design. Got videos in the background, great buttons. We can see the red pops out, and just some nice elements down here as well. Okay, so this is the home page, and then we get down to the bottom, and we can see that on the bottom we've got some testimonies, and then we've got a smaller font, smaller footer down there. So that's the old footer, takes up a massive big space, and that's the new footer down there. And then just back up to the top, when we look at the food tracker page, so here was the food tracker on the old site, Okay, and here's the new food tracker on the new site. So old site before Bubblegum Marketing and new site after Bubblegum Marketing. Again, massive difference. You can watch a video there, it pops up, and you can watch that little video about the Smart Plate. You can also get Smart Plate now. So again, nice design, really clean, really crisp. Your eyes drawn to the center of the website. So again, if we compare the two, you look over here in some of the middle sections of the site over here, compared with the professionalism and 3D rendering of this site. Okay, so great use of videos, great use of imagery, great design here on the site, and it's something that we've been proud to be a part of. When you go to Smart Plate, again, there's the Smart Plate membership. You can join now. As you join now, that then goes to their shopping cart page as well, and away they go. So there's a shopping cart page, and people can purchase it from there. So that's it. That's a wrap. And I just wanted to show you the the difference between Bubblegum Marketing, before and after. Hope you've enjoyed this case study and enjoyed the before and after. It's, as I said at the start, it's a project that we've been very proud to be a part of. We've loved working on this project with the founder and the CEO of Smart Plate, and we're very proud with the end product that we've developed with them. It's been a lot of hard work from our end in the background, lots of different designs going into this and lots of different coding and development, but that's what we do, and we do that really well. So if you're thinking about a website, if you're thinking about a sales funnel, if you need any design or development work done on the internet, reach out to Bubblegum Marketing. We'll have a 15-minute consult call, talk about your project, what you need help with the most, and then what we'll do is we provide you with a quote or proposal for you to consider, and then you can go from there. Okay, I'm Cam Roberts. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully we'll get to talk really soon.